Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica, let's give it a reaction to the it's gonna be a fire. We're reacting today. Okay, too much nice. Alright, too much. Alright, guys, big up on the save. Today we are reacting to AJ and J1 latest trends featuring H. Got it. H. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Let's not waste no time. Sorry about the H. Big up yourself, man. Sorry, H. Big up yourself, H.
About to get in the car now. I'm gonna go check young A1 and J1. I like what they've been doing. I'm gonna go show some love. I'm gonna write some bars. They don't know I'm coming, so it's gonna be a little surprise. They don't have no clue about nothing. It's gonna be good. Bless up. See you soon.
That's nice. So he must support him fellow artists them, must support him colleagues them, you know? That's good.
Yeah, that tune going up, innit? Yeah. That one's the one right now. Asked him if I could get on the remix, he said yes. Yeah, man.
What did you say?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how it turned out. Let's go!
She wouldn't know this, but my heart's all froze like my gold is. Yeah, I knew this role when I chose it, but
ooh! The thing never start already, I'm the gas. Fully gas. Blood clot, didn't start yet.
She wouldn't know this, but my heart's all froze like my gold is. Yeah, I knew this role when I chose it, but I had to put it on hold for the trophies. Yeah, love had to get put to the side, I got issues. How could I trust you for life, so you hate
Love have to get put to the side, me have issue. So all me I gotta trust you.
me today, gon' fuck me tonight, cause you still got hooked when you looked in my eyes. Excuse me, miss, can you make it clap in a two-seat whip? From the end.
Excuse me, miss, can you make it clap on the two-seat whip? Yo, big up A1 and J1 in the man. Bumbo clap,
to the bougie bits, babe, all my neighbours are stupid rich. Got the hood in my...
All my neighbors are stupid rich. So me live in a rich neighborhood, a prominent neighborhood. No fuck we not go on in my neighborhood. Yo, big up your neighborhood where you live in, I'm a G. Let's go.
Now your boy grown up, think I've changed cause my taste expensive. But I ain't worried about nothing, I'm good, give a fuck what the latest trend is.
You wouldn't know this, but my heart is cold and my home is. Where were you and we could have been homeless.
Yo, them two youth are bad. You fuck. Them two youth are bad.
Latest trend is.
You wouldn't know this, but my heart is cold and my home is. Where were you and we could have been homeless. I can't have a bitch cause I probably lose focus.
Bomba clad! Big up the G when you sent me this a while ago.
Yeah, lost in a moment. I could probably end up heartbroken. I was chasing a bag, you was chasing these souls. I can't got time to lotion.
I was chasing a bag, I was chasing this, so I don't have the yo, money over bitches. MOB nigga, money over bitches. That's what the guys
I'm
say.
trying to get high, I'm trying to reach the sky. Told the babes, call me Billy. She said, well, tonight, TTB for life. Married to the money, my wife. TTB for life. Married to the money, my wife. I said, ooh, come me catch these youths. I don't take L's on loose.
Ooh, come and catch these youth. We not take L's down loot. We not take loses. So if anything go down, we have to get prepared back. You don't know, we not take it so. And I say go, big up.
Me, I ain't got nothing to prove. I've been out here with the goons.
I was chasing a bag, he was chasing a yak too. Hennessy straight, no chase when I yak two. Kettles big Wraith, one babes in the back. Reverse it, park up, put a face on my lap.
You're too disgusting, H. You're too disgusting. Reverse it, park up, put her face on my lap.
See straight, no chase when I yak two. Kettles big Wraith, one babes in the back. Reverse it, park up, put a face on my lap.
They wouldn't let the kid fast, bro. Head I making tone, now they're calling on my phone. I got feelings, I ain't letting them know. But my penny music, that's the way that I call.
Counting my paper, still I can't count who I trust on my hand. From
counting my paper, but still me can't trust who me count on my hand. It's less, it's that minimum of people, that is that less people, that small amount of people that I trust.
Young been in love with rats, few million now I've been had hundreds of
You
girls.
wouldn't know this, but my heart is cold and my home is. Where were you and we could have been homeless. I can't have a bitch cause I probably lose focus. You know, get lost in a moment. I could probably end up heartbroken. I was chasing a bag, you was chasing these souls. I can't got time to lotion.
You know who that you they remind me of? I'm not sure if that's A1 or J1 there. Let me know which one is which. That you they were just singing a while ago remind me of Dino. Big up Dino. Him have vibes like Dino vibes.
My bros in the lab like Dexter, and she wanna take this BBC.
Checker. Someone might be too young if you know about the cartoon yet. My bro's been in the lab like Dexter Laboratory with him look with Anna and sister named Dee where always a try cover them lab. If you ain't got a cartoon, they go check out the cartoon. There be alone madness go another cartoon. The Dexter's Laboratory. Big up.
And I ain't talking about one extra. Defend my bros like ever. All my hate is
Hold on, sorry guys.
bros in the lab like Dexter. And she wanna take this BBC, and I ain't talking about one extra.
She wanna take this BBC, and I'm not talking about one extra. Let's go.
Defend my bros like ever. All my haters hating, I just tell them back to sender. I might Bella in, then put right back like Hector.
Yo, me love this. Me love that song, your dog. Me love that song, your brother. Every artist play them part. Yo,
The world's so fucked nowadays, all they do is follow and follow. I don't care about the latest trends, cause
What them do?
the world's so fucked nowadays, all they do is follow and follow.
Okay, so all them do is follow and then unfollow. So them link and say, yo, follow for follow. So when you follow them saying that, please follow my Instagram, guys. The name is running across the screen right now. And my Twitch also. My Twitch, yes. All they do is follow and unfollow. So basically, a person will link and say, yo, follow me. When they go to boom and follow for follow. When they go to boom and follow them unfollow, but you still follow them. Man say him not care about them shit. Them.
I don't care about the latest trends, cause I might even die tomorrow. That's why I
Sure.
CP like hollow. If I ever win the lotto, I'll share that with my family and make sure they don't borrow.
Facts, if me ever win the lotto, me share it up, brother. Once me have a house, I mean, no say, yo, if me dead tomorrow, my kids them can't have all of my family around me have to go. That's facts. That's gospel, bro. That's gospel. I'm not gonna take everything for myself. I'm not gonna hug everything for myself. No, brother. I don't say it go, dog. I don't say it go, bro. You see me? So all of you people who are worship vanity, we're not gonna die left it. That is what the G is saying. Let's go.
But my heart is cold and my home is where were you? We could have been homeless. I can't have a bitch cause I probably lose focus. You know, get lost in a moment. I could probably end up heartbroken. I was chasing a bag, you was chasing these souls. I can't got time to lose track.
I would love to see a collab with this guy and Dino. I'm not sure which one of them is this, but I'd love to see a collab with him and Dino, dog.
I'm trying to
Or them, not him, them and Dino, cause them come as a group. So them and Dino, I'd love to see that.
I'm trying to reach the sky, Told the babes, call me Billy. She said, well, I'm tonight, TTB for life. Man said, the money, my wife. TTB for life. Man said, the money, my wife.
Yeah, we love this. We love this, dog. Yo, yeah. You know it's gonna be a hit. You know it's a fucking hit, brother. You know it's a hit, right? Is this the next one? Oh, that's an advert. Dog, you know this is a hit. You know this is a hit, dog. You know this is a hit. No joke. Me love this. Guys, if you don't like that song, yeah, if you don't like the reaction, guys, the reaction, I didn't break it down. I stopped it a few times, yes, but I didn't break it down. You know what I mean? If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Guys, help me grow, you know what I mean? Help me grow, because you know, your boys put it in the work, right? Alright then, let's go, guys. Let's go. I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Peace. Big up yourself. Bye.